Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a house for sale in Tagaytay City. It is a modern house located inside gated community. The price of this lovely house is 13,500,000 pesos or approximately $275,510. The property has the following details. Lot area is 364 square meters. Floor area 302.8 square meters. Frontage 18 meters. It was built year 2012, but it is well maintained. It is a two-story house with basement, a guest room, 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, maid's room, 2-car garage, office room, maid's room with toilet and bath, laundry and storeroom. Second floor or attic. Huge master's bedroom located at the second floor plus family room and storeroom. Family room, 17.58 square meter. Family room balcony, 6.82 square meter. Master's bedroom, 22.4 square meter. Master's balcony and bathroom. Storerooms. First floor, living room, dining room, kitchen, powder room, office room, wrap-around balcony. Basement can be considered as a separate functional home. It has its own living room, kitchen, 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, powder room, maid's room, storeroom and garden. It's a must to see, so for viewing appointment please send me text message or call me at 0950-471-5656 or email me at iknowgit@gmail.com.
watching my video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated of any available properties in the market. You may also check our channel for other properties that you might be of interest. Thank you and see you around.